Introduction to Laypoo, Boonaa, NoopooH. NEY 60 NMY 96 7/13/2022. Laypoo, the Sun, 21 degrees, Cancer, 37 minutes and 3 seconds.
At the time of this writing, it was 937 days, 2 hours, 41 minutes, and 13 seconds until February 5th, 2025. Let's begin.
In ancient Kemet,
On New, Heliopolis, Egypt,
you can find NoopooH as us,
the 9 Ennead as the Pesejet,
meaning the Great Nine.
the Ennead,
meaning the 9, was a group of 9 deities in Egyptian mythology.
The Ennead
were worshipped
at Heliopolis. Ennead of Heliopolis.
The ancient Egyptians had many gods, but some were closely connected to each other in groupings known as
Pesejets
and associated with defined locations.
The pyramid texts Old Kingdom refer to a number of groups of gods, of which the Great Pesejet is now known to us as the Ennead. The Ennead, derived from the Greek word for
9, are the 9 ancient Egyptian gods and goddesses associated with the creation myths of
Heliopolis in Lower Egypt. Ennead, Papyrus of Ani. Listen to Venus, Nunet, Sound Right Reasoning.
The Ennead 9 orbs were represented by 9 flags called
Netter,
R8
hieroglyph. Logogram of God, phonogram, Netter. Here is the gematria.
9 flags, 87.
The orbs,
87. Listen to Venus Nunet. Sound right reasoning. Each flag glyph stand for each one of us.
The 9 Enneads, the orbs,
that are numbered in the
memorandum conversation
as well.
1. NoopooH, Laypoo, the Sun.
2. NoopooH, Mary, Mercury.
3. NoopooH, Venus.
4. NoopooH, Gertha, Earth.
5. NoopooH, Marcia, Mars.
6. NoopooH, Jutar, Jupiter.
7. NoopooH, Saturna, Saturn.
8. NoopooH, Serena, Uranus.
9. NoopooH, Neptune. Listen to Venus, sound right reasoning. When Nooniboos say the memorandum, we, the Ennead, are also saying it.
Also, when you Nooniboos call on us, the 9 orbs in NoopooH's name for assistance. It is considered a form of honor for some of you, and a form of worship for others, because we, the 9 orbs, are still deities and require worship, honor, and sacrifices from other
non-Nooniboos
on planet Earth.
However, NoopooH does not require worship or sacrifices of any kind, and neither do we, the 9 orbs, planets, require it from Nooniboos as well. Listen to reason. Yet, Noon is not pantheism. That implies worship all gods, because Nooniboos do not worship any god. We relate to them as one mind of nature relates to another mind of nature.
We converse with NoopooH, the power of sound right reason, by pronouncing the name NoopooH at least 9 times. And then talking with NoopooH just as we converse with our immediate parents. For NoopooH is the original parent powers of the Ethiopian race.
Therefore, Nunaboos of the Ethiopian race are not servants of Nupu, but relatives instead. Emphasizing the name Nupu by thought, whisper, or pronouncing the name out loud magnifies the powers of Nupu for better communications.
The best way to serve Nupu is to serve each other in Nupu's knowledge.
Understanding and wisdom. Nupu is growing to be and going to be the world's soul. Let it be remembered always and let it be known. Nature and Nature, Book 2, page 141.